Okay, folks, welcome back. Let's see how far we get today. Let's start out with the 3 V's. 3, 6, 3, 2. Six. Okay, that worked out pretty good. 3, 3. 4, 3, 2. That was pretty good. Good travel, good landing, good rebound. Yeah. See if we can repeat that. Oh, a little too high. 6, 1, 5. Okay, point made. It's okay. Same set. We're using the 3V, which is designed for 6 and 8, and we're hitting the 6, so it works out pretty good. 6, 1, 5. Point is 6 again. Sorry, I flipped that one. Okay, that worked out pretty good. 1, 3. 3, 1, 2. A little too much power there, but they travel well together. So every time you guys are tossing these dice and stuff at home practicing, don't just toss them, just analyze how the dice are traveling. Analyze how you can improve it, how you can make it better, how you can keep them together. 6, 2, 4. Okay, point made. Ten, 6, 4. That's way too much power in that one. That's why it bounced halfway across the board. That's 7 row already, so always keep an eye on your math. Five, 1, 2, 1, 4. That's almost a 7 out, but luckily it flipped back the other way. It tells me I gotta be careful in my next shot. It's 8 row. A little better. 10, 6, 4. Point made. Just remember that if everything is good and is repeatable, the result should be the same way, okay? If everything is exactly the same when it's first released and you do it again the second time, the result should be the same. One, 1, 2. Okay, we hit the all small. So if you're playing a table that has all short, all tall, it's a hard way to hit it, but at least throw a buck or something to cover it, because you never know. There's nothing worse than hitting it and then you don't have any money riding on it, you know. Believe me, that happened to me a couple of times. 9. The point is 9. 5, 4. Seven out. Okay, so it's 3 point, couldn't make the 4th, all right? And that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 row. It's okay. Crapped out on the 12th, but it's a good warm up. Okay. Keep the video short and we'll restart again.